आमचे शिक्षक हे नेहमी आमच्या चुका दुरुस्त करून आम्हाला घडविण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतात. जशा प्रकारे ते आमच्यावर प्रेम करतात, अगदी तशाच प्रकारे आम्हीसुद्धा त्यांना आमचे प्रेम व्यक्त करू इच्छितो. त्यासाठी आम्ही शिक्षक दिनाच्या दिवशी त्यांना एक ग्रीटिंग्स भेट देणार आहोत.
We always like to do our fine arts work, but this time we got the opportunity to show our love for them.
We all teachers were also students once, and really telling you that even I used to feel my teachers to be the superheroes. Dimensions has always been a big event in our college, and it's a part of big learning for the students. And the learning is not only the lectures that the students attend. This type of events make them learn so many different things, like how to manage the things, how to manage the resources, how to manage the students. So these type of activities help the students to groom themselves better.
आज शिक्षक दिनाच्या निमित्ताने डायमेन्शन्स टीमने असं ठरवलं आहे की आपल्या आयुष्यातले प्रत्यक्षातले जे आपल्या आयुष्यातले खरे सुपर हिरोज आहेत त्यांची आठवण प्रथम करावी. खरं तर शिक्षक हे सुपर हिरोज नाही तशा अर्थाने की ते फिक्शनल कॅरेक्टर नाही, ते रिअल कॅरेक्टर आहे. आणि एका अर्थाने सुपर हिरोज अशासाठी आहेत की अनेकविध गोष्टी ते एकाच वेळी सांभाळत असतात. लेक्चर्सपासून ते विविध उपक्रमात मुलांना भाग घ्यायला लावण्यापासून ते पेपर असेसमेंट करणं, आणि त्या अर्थाने म्हणाल तर ते सुपर हिरोज त्यांना म्हणावं लागेल.
त्या टीचर्सला सुपर हिरोज मानता ते मला फार आवडलेली गोष्ट आहे. आणि तुम्ही डायमेन्शनची मुलं ही जी नवीन थीम तुम्ही घेतली आहे त्याच्याबद्दल माझे बेस्ट विशेस तुम्हाला.
Teaching is 20 professions rolled into one. A good teacher is a manager, guide, counselor, social engineer, artist, and above all, a great role model for the students. A good teacher is an improvisational wizard who can whip out an interesting and inspiring lecture on a moment's notice. On this occasion, I wish all my friends in the staff room a happy Teachers' Day. We have a brilliant theme this year for the Dimensions, and it gives scope to acknowledge heroes and unsung heroes of our society.
My committee, the Dimensions, they have put out the theme, the age of superheroes, and what a wonderful job my students have done. They have related this theme with the teachers of Kelkar College. Right from the day a child is conceived, the mother is a teacher, and later on we teachers come into the lives of these children, guiding them in everything that they do.
With the theme and the team being in the right place, I think this year also the Dimension is going to be great. All the best, Dimension D15.
I think it's a very novel way of approaching the whole idea of Teachers' Day. To even imagine that you are thinking of teachers as superheroes is something like a giant compliment. It's like a superheroic compliment to teachers, and one would never associate that kind of gesture from a young bubbling crowd which has their own ideas of what superheroes really are. I mean, one thinks of them as really, action people and people who are involved in saving lives or nations or fighting crime and stuff like that. But well, if opening minds and raising awareness and enlightening people, sharing knowledge is considered a super task, then yes, it is.
Students are doing a wonderful job because we are here for students. College is for students, teachers are for students, and they are our hands. We would be handicapped without them. We can work as a team. It has always been a team effort between students and teachers, and we love it that way. It shall remain that way forever. And 3 cheers to them for celebrating Teachers' Day and also bringing along the theme of the college festival in it, the age of superheroes. I really appreciate them for looking at teachers as the superheroes. This is after all the age of superheroes, the superheroes that exist outside the cinema theatres rather.
Teachers as superheroes, as far as I'm concerned, yes, I definitely had teachers who were superheroes for me, because I had people who knew everything about something and something about everything. So it made a lot of difference. Here I think we play the role of superheroes without the costume. but then we have the power of waving the magic wand also, because we, I think, are the people who can bring the change, you know, bring some magic and increase the self-esteem and confidence of the students. So in that way, yes.
शिक्षक दिनाच्या सर्वांना शुभेच्छा. त्याचवेळी या शिक्षक दिनाच्या निमित्ताने विद्यार्थ्यांनी मांडलेली ही संकल्पना की शिक्षक हाच खरा सुपर हिरो, ही खरंच चांगली कल्पना आहे. कारण मुळात तो विद्यार्थ्यांचा गुरु, मार्गदर्शक, त्यांचा सखा, सहचरी, सोबती अनेक नात्यांनी तो वावरत असतो. प्रत्येक नातं विद्यार्थ्याला काहीतरी देऊन जातं आणि विद्यार्थ्याला घडवतं सुद्धा.